Welcome to today's market outlook. Indian equities are set for a strong start, with GIFT Nifty indicating a gap up open to fresh record highs. The big macro trigger is India's second quarter GDP growth, which is surprised on the upside at 8.2%, the fastest in 6 quarters. This acceleration, coming from 7.8% in the previous quarter, is driven by manufacturing and services strength and confirms that domestic demand and festive consumption remain the key pillars of the economy. Despite the United States imposing higher tariffs on some Indian products, the robust GDP print shows that local factors, strong factory output, GST-driven formalization, and resilient services are cushioning the impact. Markets are now increasingly pricing in the possibility that the RBI may deliver a rate cut at its December 5th policy meeting, especially with October inflation at multi-year lows and crude oil near a one-month low around $62 per barrel. On the corporate front, Hindustan Unilever's demerger becomes effective today, with Quality Walls scheduled to list on the NSE on December 5th, bringing fresh interest to the consumer and QSR-linked space. Lenskart Solutions has posted a solid 20% jump in second quarter net profit, underlining strong discretionary spending in affordable lifestyle categories. Investors will closely track the Hindustan Construction Company board meeting on a potential rights issue and the start of the winter session of Parliament, where any progress on key reform or spending bills can influence sector sentiment, especially in infrastructure, banking, and consumption globally. Asian markets are soft to mixed as traders adopt a risk-off stance ahead of a heavy data week, even as the probability of a December rate cut by the Federal Reserve remains high. Gold has rallied about 2% to roughly $4,234 an ounce on rate cut optimism, while Brent crude is holding just above $63 a barrel after OPEC Plus confirmed it will pause production hikes in the first quarter. With strong domestic macro data, supportive global rate expectations, and sector-specific triggers in autos, banks, and consumption, any intraday dips are likely to be seen as buying opportunities by positional investors. Stay disciplined, focus on quality names, and ride the positive momentum.